tell me where.
Yeah.
I'm Mitch.
Hi, I'm Laura.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I love Stephen Lasher's team.
We do.
Try our
He's
best.
actually, he did Michael.
Really? No
Yeah.
way.
Yep, last year.
He's the best.
Yeah, he's great. Him, Mario.
Yep.
Was there something else?
Unfortunately, Mario's father actually just passed. Yeah. So unexpected and sad, but he seems to be doing alright. When I was
So there's a coat closet here.
Uh-huh.
This is
Yeah, I put
study.
Yeah.
I think I saw it.
It's going to be
Yeah.
I should send him, I don't know if I should send him an email, I feel like it's a little.
Yeah, no, definitely. We really appreciate it. I haven't seen him yet since.
If you've noticed, 7 is on the market for 2.65.
Oh, no way. Master of None was filmed in here?
Yeah, it was. Do you see the wall?
I know this exact scene, funny enough.
Yeah. You see the wall there?
Yup.
They have the
Wow.
bed here.
No
They staged the
way.
bed. And Shaft from the movies from the 70s.
Yeah.
That was done here as well. So
Very
it's
cool.
kind of cool. The original offering plan and floor plan
Oh, yeah.
that I had from the original owner years ago shows this as the
Oh, that's okay, I
three-bedroom.
actually, I have
Okay,
somebody
gotcha.
in mind.
But it's
What is it now? 2 bedrooms?
it's a two-bedroom with that little den area.
Okay, yeah,
But you
I'll
see this
definitely-
wall right here? That could be another bedroom.
Yeah.
And it's still
I
much
love the
Definitely.
exposed column here.
This place is awesome. And the location, you can't beat it. I mean,
Location's
this
pretty.
weather right now, walking around in this area, it's like, couldn't be better.
So there's through-wall air conditioner throughout.
Wow.
There's talk in the building about central airing, but I'm not gonna.
When was this building built?
Building was built in 1880,
Wow.
1900.
Yep.
And it was converted, I think, in the 60s. It's a pretty established old co-op.
Gotcha.
There are 14 units. These are all chalkboard paint. And,
Oh, wow.
oh, that's great.
That's awesome.
Storage. Oh, and that one's
Right,
much
like your
cheaper.
grocery list
That's
down
all
there.
chalkboard paint?
All of it, all of this black is
really cool.
chalkboard paint.
I love that.
And what she said, it's
a great
really
kitchen.
cool, that you can actually, it's over the counter kind of stuff. You can buy
Mhm.
that,
Mm-hmm.
which is great, because it never really erases perfectly.
I love the spice cubby. That's so original.
Yeah.
And you do have great storage
Yeah.
there too. The
Amazing.
unit here
Yeah.
comes with a
Amazing.
very large storage downstairs. And there is one washer and a dryer downstairs as well, but you have your own here.
Do you know the size of the storage unit?
Yeah, I do.
Wondering if would it fit bikes?
Huh?
Would it fit bikes?
Yes, it does. In fact, they've got this huge bike that they're willing to give to whoever wants the apartment. How's that? All right.
Oh, I love it.
Very well decorated, I will say. It's got a
Yeah.
nice,
It's very
unique look to
cozy.
it.
Very
And
cool.
do
Yeah.
take advantage of sitting down too, because you get a very different
Definitely,
vantage point.
Do you mind if I look around a little
No,
bit?
not at all. The cool stuff is down here. These are all reclaimed wood doors. And you've got 2 bedrooms here. This is the
Kids are growing
children's
over the
room.
years.
Yeah, and the closet is here. And this is the original steel beam that they had re-exposed.
Yep.
And this is the primary bedroom here.
Wow.
Right, it's pleasant.
There's
And then
definitely
we've
some
got
charm to
another
this
bathroom
place.
here.
This might be my favorite part. Sorry, you take the
With
video.
antique
Take the sound out,
sconces
right?
and
Oh,
restoration
wow.
hardware.
I feel like I'm in Italy.
Right, isn't beautiful the toilet?
Gorgeous.
This.
So how long has this been on market for?
About a week.
Any interest so far?
We have somebody coming back for a second showing
Oh, wow.
today.
Uh-huh.
But it's been somewhat cool on the slow side. I've been surprised. Hello.
Hey, Robyn, I'm out.
Hey,
nice to meet you.
Okay.
Have some coffee. are 7 floors. So the ground level, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14 units, 2 units per floor, the north, which is this line,
Yep.
and the south, which is right
Gotcha.
across the hall. Garbage goes right out here on the floor. There's recycle in the basement and a large storage that's about 8 by 5
Okay.
that comes with laundry downstairs and laundry in the unit as well. Oat milk and almond milk.
Okay.